Hello everyone! So I recently made this pumpkin face for RoboBrrd, like a front face for RoboBrrd. And while it seems simple, it actually took a long time to make because of I guess making things that look like pumpkins is a bit tricky. So I thought I'd make this short video to show how I made it, just in case some people wanted to try it out as well. So this is in Autodesk Inventor, and as you can see, this here is basically the base sketch, so that's what a front face of RoboBrrd looks like. It's the same one as the laser cut version as well. And then you can see here, this is basically the shape that is making up the pumpkin shape on it. So how it starts out is there is this cross-section shape of just little arcs, sort of like half bubbles. It starts at about just a bit more inwards than the original sketch of the face, and then the arc, and then an arc, and then extends a bit outwards. And a few of these have dimension constraints on them. And another important part is this point right here. So there's actually a point placed right there. Okay, so anyway, there's that part. And then there is this part up here. So this is another sketch where it's just a rectangle. And it's it's close to the eye, just above the eye-ish, sort of near it, on the face of the RoboBrrd, and then there's also a point right there on the sketch. And then this part is kind of the annoying part. There's a 3D sketch with a spline line going from the 2 points on the previous sketches that I just showed. So I'll turn on the visibility of those sketches. So you can see this spline goes from this point to that point. And you can like angle it and see that it's sort of like arcing a little bit, trying to get that nice shape a little. Yeah. Alright, so that's done. And then once all of those sketches were made, then it's using a loft tool, or loft command, to bring the two sketches together using that 3D sketch as a rail. And sometimes I found that depending on what the sketch with the arcs on it looked like, then it would either work or not work, so it took a lot of trial and error just to get one that would work. And the same thing is, this loft is then mirrored for that quadrant and then that side as well. Add on some fillets, and then the same thing is done for right here as well. So you can see that there's the sketch. With a little bit of arcs in there. Not too much because it didn't have to be exaggerated as much. And then of course a loft. So, as you can see. So yeah, if you ever want to make sort of curvy shapes, that's basically how you can do it, using two sketches and a 3D sketch joining 2 points together on the two sketches, and then using a loft for that. So yeah, anyway, hope you enjoyed. Maybe you learned something. Yay, pumpkin RoboBrrd.